Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Saucy here. Have you ever wondered why your trades keep reversing on you? Now let me show you how to properly use change of character like a pro and catch those market moves before anyone else.
Here we are on the chart. So first of all, I'm going to be using these two schematic drawn out here to explain the basics of market structure. So it's very simple, the basics of market structure. So we have this as a bullish environment, a bullish market structure, and we have this as a bearish market structure. Now as you can see, a bullish market structure, price is making higher highs and making higher lows and putting in new higher highs. And in a bearish market structure, price is making lower lows, creating a lower high and putting in new lower lows, right? So now this is the basis of market structure, and that's how it is. Now there are more scenarios where price is a little bit complicated, but again, once you understand the logic of price, it's very easy for you to understand what your market structure is. Very easy for you to get it, because this is just a schematic. It's kind of different in a real life because it's more difficult in real time when you're analyzing the market. But again, understand the logic and just have a full idea of this and be able to navigate any market properly. Making this video short as possible, okay? So as you can see right there, so let's go right over here. So I'm going to be explaining this scenario right now. This is what I typically want to explain for you guys so well. I want you guys to understand this, especially if you are a trader that trade purely structure, right? I want you to be very careful, and I want you to listen attentively to this video and understand it. So as you can see, this is a very simple scenario, right? We have a bullish market structure, we had a higher high, we have a higher low. Price created a higher high, and after a higher high, what do we expect? Based on the order flow, we expect price to create a lower low, and after a lower low, we expect a higher high. Now in this scenario, this can be a 4-hour time frame, and this can really be a daily time frame. Now most traders, except if you are trading on the higher time frame, most traders trade on lower time frame. And lower time frame, I'm talking about 15 minutes time frame and the hourly time frame, which is the 1 hour or the 15 minutes time frame. In that way, they are able to capitalize to catch the intraday moves that's happening in price, right? Now the thing about this is, when you understand the schematic, you'll be able to trade with any time frame successfully, whether it's the daily time frame, whether it's the 4-hour time frame, or even the 15 minutes time frame, right? And you'll be able to understand how to capitalize and position yourself to place trades, high probable trades, right? Now we need to understand that even as a day trader, if you are using the 15 minutes time frame or the hourly time frame, you need to understand the higher context. You need to understand the higher time frame. You need to understand where price is coming from and where price is going to. And the best time frame for you to do that is daily time frame, right? Daily time frame will give you the overview of where the market is coming from and where the market is going to. And in that way, you're able to understand where price is coming from, either if price is going to make a high, or price is in a pullback stage and you are ready to capitalize in the continuation. Now let's take for example, this is a daily time frame, right? And as a daily time frame, we have the market structure. We have price creating a high, you have price creating a low, and you have price creating a higher high, because this is the swing high. Now we have what we call a swing structure, and we have internal structure. Now this is an internal structure. I'm going to be making more videos on that in a part 2 of this video. I'm going to be making more videos on understanding swing structure and internal structure. In that way, you'll be able to have more clarity on it. But these scenarios, right? We have the internal structure, we have the internal structure, and we have a swing structure. Now, when do you understand by change of character? Now, how can you use change of character to your advantage, right? Change of character is a shift, is an internal shift of structure in the opposite direction, or in that same direction of price. What it just signals to you is price is ready to change. Not even price is ready, price is likely. Mark out that English. Price is likely to change structure. That is the first sign that price is ready to change structure. Now after a break of structure, we expect a pullback. How do we know the pullback is starting? Most times is when you get a change of character in the opposite direction of price. Now in this scenario, we have a higher high, we have a higher low, and price created a higher high. As you can see, the same time frame, this is daily, we have internal change of character, right? And after a change of character, we had a pullback. Now as you can see, because the swing structure is bullish, price will pull back into an area of demand, right? And for us to start looking for buys, we have to wait for what? An internal change of character to the upside. Now understand that now the swing structure is bullish and the internal structure is now aligned with the overall swing structure, and this is the best time to take your trades. This is how to frame your trades, and this is a very good way to place your trades. Very good time to continue that buys and anticipate what the market to continue buying. Now you need to understand again that with having this, right, understanding this as a trader, whether you're a day trader or you are a swing trader, is going to improve your win rate so much, because you are going to know the phase that you are. You're going to know the phase where the market is. Is the market in a pullback phase? Is the market in what? In a continuation phase, pro trend, or is the market in what? In a pullback stage? This is what? This is the pullback phase, and this is what? The pro trend continuation phase, right? So you are going to understand how, when you are buying and when you are selling based on your concept and the model you trade. Okay, but once you understand this, you know where a price is coming from, you know where a price is going to, based on market structure, you are very good, right? You are very good, and it's going to really help you. Now I'm going to explain the bearish scenarios for you guys so that you can also get it. So this is a bearish scenario. Let me make this tick for you guys. Right, so this is a bearish scenario, right? So we are on a daily or 4 hour or the 15 minutes time frame, right? Price created a low, we had a lower high, and price was created a lower low. After a lower low, we expect after a break of structure, the swing break of structure, we expect a pullback. Now, how do we get that pullback? By waiting for the internal shift of structure, which is a change of character. Right? After the change of character, price makes its way to the upside, reacting to the supply area, and we also have another change of character to the downside, telling us now that the internal structure is now aligned with the swing structure, and in that way we are able to capitalize to the downside to catch the pro trend move. Right now, that doesn't mean you have to wait all long. I mean, this is a very good way, to position yourself. If you're a day trader, to catch some moves to this area, then start following up, right, to for price to go make a swing low as far as the swing guy is protected. So this is a very simple concept that, a very simple tool that if you use it properly, you are going to it's going to improve your trading. So let's go to the chart and let's go to the chart, and I'm just going to be explaining on the chart. Very simple explanation on the chart. So let's start here. So I'm going to start here with price. Now, as you can see right here, you can see that let's look for the recent break of market structure. Ignore all this. I just want to make sure you follow up. It's very simple. This is daily time frame, and you are using daily time frame for your direction to get your direction, where price is going to and where price is coming from. Now look at price. The recent break of market structure, we have this as the break of structure. Now after a break of structure, price created a low, right? Notice what happened. After price created a low, before price started buying, we have what we call a change of character, right? This is the last lower low, a lower high, a lower low, price change character to the upside. After a change of character, you can see price bought to the upside. Now after a break of structure, you expect a pullback, right? Meaning that this becomes this becomes a swing high, this becomes a swing low, right? After a swing low, we have a break of structure to the upside. Now after having a break of structure to the upside, how do we determine that we are bullish and price is likely changing to the downside, right? Probably for a pullback before continuation, right? What do you see? You can see we have a change of character, right, on the same daily time frame. Oh, sorry about that. We had a change of character on the same daily time frame, right? After a change of character, we had our way to the downside. What did price do? Price came straight to this area of demand, right? We hit the area of demand, right? As you can see, we had hit the demand area, and after that, before price buying, what do? We had again a change of character. Let me zoom in the price so you guys can see clearly. So let me zoom in so we had a higher high, a swing low, a swing high. Then after a break of structure, we expect a pullback. How do we anticipate the pullback? Change of character in opposite direction, and we have the pullback to the downside. Now, how do we know price is ready to start buying again? In this scenario, right? As you can see, we had this lower low, right? This low. We have this high. This is an inside bar, so this counts as a change of character. We had a sweep of this low. We have price closing above, which is, you can see the momentum kicking in, a shift of structure. This is daily time frame. What is price telling us? price is literally telling us that I am screaming we want to buy, because now the internal structure has aligned. Understand, the internal structure has aligned with what? The swing structure, meaning that you are what? Positioning yourself towards continue the bullish move to the upside to make a new high. This is applicable to all time frame, whether 4 hour, 15 minutes, or daily. This is applicable, right? Because once you understand this, you are able to play any time frame, and you're going to be able to do it successfully and easily, right? So, and again, this is a nugget for you guys. Most daily change of character is always 4 hour break of structure, right? In this video, I'm going to make a separate video for that, utilizing time, how to properly utilize time frames to your advantage, such as daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame. But that's another video. Wait for that. Make sure you are subscribed so that when I create that video, or when I make that video, you'll be able to get the notification on that. So as you can see, we had an internal shift of structure. Price cleared the low, price cleared the high, and price made its way to create a new high. Let's continue. So after price created a new high, after a recent break of structure, let me use this as this. Sorry, so after we had the break of structure, as you can see, price created another high to the upside. Again, before we start having a pullback, what can you see? We had a change of character, right? So this is a high, a low. After we made a new high, we had a change of character. In that way, you start positioning yourself for sales, right? Now, as you can see, what the price used to continue here, right? Price was used, obviously, this area to continue, but that is not, what we are explaining. So we had a change of character, the pullback has started, and now we've had a confirmed structural high, right? Then price came down lower, then we had you can see this candle, we had this way, price break up already, we have the internal change of character again, because this is the internal low, this is the internal high, change of character again, and price is bullish. We have another break of structure, another swing structure break, right? Let me mark it out. We have another break of structure to the upside. Now after that break of structure, how do we know a pullback is likely happening? We have another change of character. Look at price so well, right? So this is the first candle, the second candle as a bearish candle. Price swept this high, so we had a sweep, and a change of character. In that way, you are able to participate in the sales, right? Till we have a swing structural break, right? We have a swing structural break, right? After the break of structure to the downside, after the break of structure, that means we are bearish in these scenarios and want to continue selling price. So we how do you anticipate the reversal? You want to wait for not reversal. How do you anticipate the pullback? You want to wait for again, the change of character. Notice we had this low, we had this lower high, we had this lower low, and I think we had so you might see this as a change of character, but you could see that price swept this high aggressively and dumped to the downside. And if I'm to show you this on 4 hour time frame, I'm going to show you that this 4 hour time frame most likely is going to be just sweep, meaning that price is likely not to close above this high. Trust me, I can use my blue button now to show. In fact, let me show you guys. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be coming back here, so I'll explain. Right, so in that way you are able to save yourself so much losses, right? So what's R? So we have, this is on 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, we have a swing low, we have a swing high, price break structure to the downside, and as you can see, price we do not have a break of structure, we had sweep. Can you see what I'm talking about? So we had sweep and price dumped down lower. So these are the things that when you put together, you'll be able to make informed decisions in the market, right? You'll be able to make informed decisions in the market, right? So as you can see, we have sweep. If you are taking that as a change of character, but I believe this was news events that happened. I can't remember, but I know this was a news event that happened. I think it was during the election. So that huge drop that happened. So after that, we created a low. Right, you can see price. Let's zoom in. It's very, very simple, and it's applicable on all time frame, right? So understand that this is our recent break of structure, and price created a low. we have now a lower high, and we have what? A lower low. Now, after we had the lower low, how do we expect a pullback? We want to wait for what? A shift of structure. Now, as you can see, we have what? This as the change of character, because this is the daily change of character. This is the internal low, internal high, internal low, and we have what? Another internal high to the upside. After that, we had internal high, internal low, we have another high, and we had what? A shift of structure to the downside. How are we playing it, right? We are playing it, we are following up, right? Because now we are bearish. We understand that we are bearish, and we are following up in this what? In this scenario. Sorry. So we are following up in these scenarios, right? As you can see, we have a lower low, a swing lower high, internal structure is now aligned, and we are following up to the downside, right? Now, as you can see, we have a break of structure again. After the break of structure, we have been bearish. So as you can see, that is, we've just been bearish, right? Now, for us to start waiting for a very deep pullback, we will need to see what? A shift of internal structure. We need to see a shift of internal structure, right? We would love to see price, coming lower to take out this low, right? Taking out this low, giving out a shift of structure, and now we can say yes, the pullback has started, and we can start playing it, right? Start playing it. Obviously, what? To this area of supply, or if price want to pull deeper, using other, using your concept as your liquidity and everything, and you will, or your area of supply, your supply areas, and you'll be able to what? Anticipate the short by what? Waiting for another shift of structure in that direction, and you are going to play price, right? Otherwise, or if price is ready to what? Reverse totally, you will just, in that same way, play price, right? And price is switching bullish. That means the swing structure is going to, we're going to put in a new high. But until then, following the other flow. Before then, following the other flow, and and following the structure, we are bearish, right? We are bearish. So this is a very, very simple way to get your market direction, and understanding how to use change of character correctly, how to properly use change of character. And I made a video on my Telegram link. Make sure you check the link in the description. So if you like the video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, ask any question in the YouTube comments, the comment section. I'm going to be answering all. If you have any question, ask. Also, join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description, so you can follow me, where I share my live trades, analysis, and everything. So that's it. So